Good morning, my name is Ben from Apfeldoktor Germany. Welcome to the show, to the micro soldering show. I love micro soldering. That's my thing and I just love it. And I want to show you a repair. It's the fourth video for today in the morning and I could use nothing of them because always there was faults. The first I got iPhone 6 water damage for data rescue. I opened the device, not much water, opened and I saw it's just a screen. Okay, so nothing for you, nothing to show in the video, so I had to break the video and done. Okay, the next was iPhone 7, no boot. We got error 4014 for NAND. I took out the NAND and data were corrupted on the NAND, so I couldn't read anything out of the NAND. NAND was damaged, so I couldn't finish the video. Okay, I ordered GSX for this NAND. Waiting for that, and then I finished the video, do cut and do it online. After that I got iPhone 7, no boot. I checked, okay, only the display, only the screen. Came from another shop, no boot, only the screen. Okay, third video away. And now I hope for the next video, and I hope it works because that's my last try for today because I have too much other work. We have bottle level repair school at weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We have to prepare the room. So I hope this repair will be nice for you. It's an iPhone 8 Plus and it only shows 1% and doesn't charge anymore at all. So let's check what we got here. We go on hands. The device turns on if I get the cable on it. And now let's have a look what we got here. I just open the screws. What do we see? Only 1%. Only 1%. What? When I do the screen off, we got about, on the USB amp meter, 400 milliamps. If I do the screen on, we got about 500 milliamps of current flow, but it only shows 1%. Okay, let's have a look at the board and see what we can do. Hat alles gepasst? And the phone immediately boots new. Okay? Yeah. So let's just have a look. What's that? Okay, the battery smells and it already was taken out, as I think. So I think they tried to renew the battery and we have no clue, and it's not an original screen. Okay, so I think and they tried to change the charging port too. Sometimes I can't understand people. So I think they changed the screen. They ripped off a MOSFET next beside to the battery connector, and then they tried to change all you can imagine for charging this device. But just use your head when you change the screen and after that you got no current flow anymore at all. It must be something on the connector or a ripped off part. So let's have a look. What do we got here? And here, do you see that? Here is the problem already. Here is the problem. We are on iPhone 8 Plus, friends, so it's not as easy to rip off any MOSFETs here. I talked about the iPhone 8, but do we see that here? That resistor ripped off the board. I think here we got a problem. So let's go. Just do some Instagram. Already on the next repair, people, and do you see that? Ripped off resistor right beside the battery connector on iPhone 8 Plus, only 1%, and the device doesn't charge anymore at all. I will fix that now. So let's see what we can do here. Ah, and we have the ripped off diet. Okay. Save the small parts here. Oh, and what we get here, this cluster, should be okay. Here we got the MOSFETs. It's not as easy to rip them as on the iPhone 8. So, what we can do here is just get some flux. Take your solder iron. Just a little bit of solder paste. And then get it here. Get it here and here. And now, where's my tweezers? My small tweezers here. Okay, done. The resistor is back. And now let's get up this. Here we have to use some hot air. So, you see that? That's normal because of the heat. I will do it away later. But I don't want to sit the diet with only using the iron. Just want to blast it, and you saw it worked. Now we can get up this, just let it cool down a little bit, and then we can get up the gum around the connectors just for looking better, because my work always looks very, very clean, and that's always my my intention, to do very clean work. And you see, it looks really, really, really clean. That's the way it should look like. 8 minutes, a short video. So, we go on hands, and we just get all the cables to the FPCs. Then we should get the screen on it. Just don't understand people why they don't think about what they have done. Always use your head when you do a repair, and after the repair something isn't working as before. First check what you have done and what could the problem be then. So, now let's have a look. We put in the cable, and the phone shows the battery. So wait for charging, just a short time. We got 1.5 amps of current. That's nice. So I think the repair should be done. Wait. We could get another battery just for speeding up the video. I think they changed the battery, saw it isn't the battery, and then put back the original one. That's why this battery looks so ugly, and they don't, as they put out the battery, the original battery, they just didn't do it in the right way. Okay, so now we got a boot. We got about 1 amp, 1.1 amp of current on the USB amp meter. So that's okay. And now just have a look. Oh, we see here the battery is charging, baby. Just, do you see that? 16%. It's our test battery. 1.1 amps of current flow. So great. The device has been fixed within 10 minutes. Just use your eyes to see things, and use your head. When a device comes in and somebody has changed something on the device, have a look what he has done. Have a clean look about the board if you see any ripped off components and things like that. And if you see, get them and fix it. Okay? Yeah, this it was short video. We are about 11 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, we see us in the next video. If you are a repair technician, or you got a repair company, or you are a seller of goods for the repair industry, you can come to our smartphone repair group Germany. And if you want to learn things like that, you can do this on the bottler at the bottler repair school Germany. I'm out. We see us. Yours, Ben.